Hello, today is Saturday. It's about 10:26 a.m. We're doing a sewer inspection for a property address located at 4104 Goodland Avenue in Studio City, California, 91604. We have accessed the main sewer line through the basement sewer pipe. We have disconnected the sewer line because we were not able to find an accessible clean out throughout the house. So we had to come underneath the basement, disconnect the sewer line, and start the sewer inspection from here. So from that point, we have pushed the camera, as you can see, about 106 feet all the way out to reach the city sewer connection. That's what you're looking at right now. So from this point, we're going to start pulling back the camera so we can inspect the whole sewer line, which is the sewer lateral under the street, and then the rest of the sewer line within the property. Okay, so we're going to start pulling back right now. This pipe that you're looking at right now is the sewer lateral. It's a 6-inch clay pipe. As you can see right here, there is root intrusion in some of the joints of the clay pipe. So that means that the joints of these pipes, it's pretty weak now that roots have access to the sewer line to get the water out. This can result in water leak outside of the pipe. As you can see right here, the roots have pushed one joint up and the other joint down to access the sewer line, and all this standing water right here eventually will drain out of the pipe and create a sinkhole underneath the sewer lateral, and eventually that can cause a collapsed sewer line. All this pipe right here that we're looking at, it's underneath the street. Again, this is a 6-inch clay pipe. Okay, right here there is a transition from 6-inch to 4-inch clay pipe. Usually this is right at the property line by the front of the house, and there is a massive root intrusion here. Okay, right here it looks like there was a repair previously done, and the connection that the previous plumbers did, it just sunk when they reconnect the sewer line. It shouldn't have any standing water at no point of the sewer line. Everything has to be sloped a 1/4 inch per foot. So this needs to be corrected right here. The pipe you're looking at right now, it's a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe. You can see a lot of up and down on the pipe, but that's okay. That is just a 45-degree turns that we normally use to give the direction on the pipe. This section in particular looks okay on a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe. You see a lot of fog on the picture because there's a lot of steam in the sewer line, and that creates the foggy image. Okay, right here we have reached a transition on the material, which comes from 4-inch ABS plastic pipe, and it transitions to a what used to be a 4-inch cast iron pipe. As you can see, the pipe has built up a lot of corrosion that only 30% of the pipe, of the cast iron pipe, it's open. So this needs to be replaced in order to give a good flow of water. Otherwise, all the waste and paper will get caught and accumulate in areas, and eventually it will back up. There's a lot of heavy buildup in this pipe. This is a 4-inch cast iron pipe that hasn't been replaced. And then we go back to a 4-inch ABS plastic pipe right here. So it looks like they have had replaced sections of the pipe. Maybe whatever was worse at some point, but now it's the time to replace the whole original sewer line that was here since they built the house, probably. See, right here it goes back to a cast iron pipe, 4-inch. Again, there is a lot of build-up corrosion in the pipe. Right now we should be getting closer to the house, underneath the house, where you're gonna see right now a 45-degree turn. That means we're coming into the basement of the house right here. So all this pipe is under the house. The rest of the line was underground outside the house. Okay, so we're almost out of the sewer line, and I'm going to show you where we have disconnected the sewer or the joint of the pipes to access the sewer line, which is right here. This is where we disconnected the sewer to have access to it. So I'm going to show you another section of the pipe that has been replaced before, because there was a big crack on the bottom of a pipe. So you can see right there. So pretty much the whole sewer line that it's still on cast iron, it's in the same condition. So therefore the pipe lifespan, it's due, so it will need to be replaced. Okay, so that's it for today. My name is Jose Palma with Drainbuster Rooter.